In this video, I'm going to show you how to install plumbing in a house the right way so you don't end up with leaks, clogs, or a giant mess on your hands. Getting your plumbing setup done yourself can save you a bunch of cash, but you gotta do it carefully and with the right tools and know-how to keep everything flowing smoothly. Alright, first up, always start by planning out your plumbing routes before you even touch a pipe. You want to know where the water is coming in and going out, so sketch out your layout on paper or your phone. Next, pick the right type of pipes for your project. Most people use PEX or copper tubing because they're durable and pretty easy to work with. Remember to check your local building codes too, because you gotta make sure everything meets safety standards or you'll have trouble later on. When cutting pipes, use a sharp pipe cutter and keep the edges clean so the fittings fit snug and don't leak. Don't forget to secure your pipes with clamps or brackets to avoid any movement that could cause damage or noise down the line. For joints, use proper fittings like elbows and T's, and always apply plumber's tape or sealant to ensure watertight connections. When installing fixtures like sinks or toilets, double check that the connections are tight but don't overdo it or you might crack something. Lastly, once everything is hooked up, turn the water on slowly and watch closely for leaks. You want to catch them early before they cause bigger headaches. One of the biggest mistakes I see folks make is rushing through the planning phase, which leads to pipes in weird spots that don't line up with fixtures. A simple fix is spending more time up front, figuring out exactly where everything should go. Another common slip-up is not using enough support for pipes, so they sag or bang against walls when water flows through. Just grab some pipe straps and space them properly to avoid this. And a huge no-no is forgetting to wrap threads with plumber's tape before connecting fittings, which almost always causes leaks, so don't skip that step. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot where homeowners can connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for new gigs, they help you find work easily in your area without all the extra hassle. If you need more tips or want to chat about any part of plumbing installs, just hit me up.